Hi everyone, welcome to our cabin, or stateroom as they call it around here. Inside the door you have two buttons to indicate to your stateroom attendant whether you want the room made up or not. Down below you have your electricity slot, which activates electricity in the room. When you go out of the room, the electricity will switch off, but some people leave an old hotel card or something in the room, but the staff will remove it if you leave it there. Okay, I'm going to start over here beside the bed. On either side of the bed you have two bedside lamps. These actually have USB ports in them, which is really useful. Then you have your sofa bed, which folds out into a bed at night. You also have the Pullman Bed, which can be let down by your stateroom attendant in the evenings. Behind that you have your wardrobe, your safe, and your bottles of water that are provided at the beginning of your cruise. You also have more storage down here under the television. And you have some more here. You have your television. Here you have coffee and charging points, your phone. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's small, I know, but it has everything you need in it. Here you have your shower, which is actually a really nice shower. It's nice and powerful, great for getting all the sand off if you've been on the beach. They also provide some body wash and shampoo in case you haven't brought your own. I usually bring mine, but their one's not actually that bad. You have your toilet, a box for sharps, some face cloths, soap, a sink, and your towels. Your towels are hung up here if they're clean. If they're dirty, put them on the floor and your stateroom attendant will wash them. So there you have it, you've seen our cabin. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.